Hello people, and for this round, we'll be showing you how to delete a repository here in GitHub. Now, once we're in the home page, you would see it. You have your top repositories on your left-hand side, like this is the test run here. But if you want to see the complete list in case you have a lot of repositories, just go over to your profile on the top right. Now, right there, you can just see your repositories, and all I have here is the C test run. And now once you click on that and we're here on the code, just go to settings here on the top and just scroll all the way down into the danger zone, and we'll just go over and delete this repository. Yes, I want to delete unexpected. If you don't, permanent, just agree to everything, read and understood, and then just type in the string name of your repository. Yeah, it has to be exactly the same. Now, here we go. Just delete, and it is successfully deleted. There you go. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.